Get a good grip.
All right, we about to lift the turkey. Hold on, Chris. Hold on. We about to lift the turkey up. It's done.
Yeah.
Karan's about to lift it up. All right, we about to go. Karan lifting it up. We got witnesses, so when we die, we know what's happening. And we're doing it. Let's go.
Oh, that's heavy.
You got it? Hold it.
It's heavy.
Hold it.
Oh, yeah.
Hold it. Keep it there. You gotta keep it there for a while. You gotta keep it there. You gotta let it soak.
It's actually pretty heavy.
You got it. Hold it.
Okay.
You gotta let it drip.
Hello. Are we back in? Are we coming in class?
You got it. All right, come on, lifting it up. Is it good? You got it?
Yeah.
I'm about to let go. You got it?
Yeah.
Let go. I got it. Rest.
Hand hurt?
Rest a little bit. Now grab it. You got it? You good?
Yeah.
Now move it over. Move it straight over. There you go. All right, Quan took the turkey out. And we are done. We cut the gas and everything off before he even moved it, so it was good.